Hey everybody, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add music to your Telegram profile. First, you need to go to your Telegram profile. As you can see, there are several options available, such as posts, archived posts, and the option to add a profile photo. If you tap on the three dots, you'll see options like Edit Info or Set Profile Photo. However, you'll notice that there is no option to directly add music to your Telegram profile. Telegram currently does not allow you to add music as a profile feature. So, if you want to add music, the only way to do it is by posting it as a post on your profile. Once you upload or share the music as a post, it will appear on your profile for others to see. And that's basically how it works. I hope this video helped you out. If you still have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.